How much I made from YouTube with 3K subscribers. In filming this video, I've made over $100 from YouTube right now. And right here in this video, I want to show you the breakdown on how I was able to make this money, my best performing video, and the video that make me the most money from this very breakdown, right? I'm going to be very transparent to you in this video, showing you my workflow, showing you everything on my YouTube studio, right? So that this can inspire you if you are a new content creator or you are someone who is looking forward to make money from YouTube, right? Now, this is going to be very insightful to you if you are a new content creator, you are someone who is looking forward to start creating content on YouTube, or you are somebody who wants to start making money from YouTube right now, right? So, guys, you have to stick around in this video because everything I'm going to be sharing with you in this video is going to help you in your content journey, right? And it's going to motivate you, especially if you are a new YouTuber or you are a new content creator, right? Now, to get monetized on YouTube, you have to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, right? Hitting 1,000 subscribers is not that hard, but hitting 4K watch hours is the hardest, right? Because many YouTubers find it hard to hit the 4K watch hour because you must have people sit down and watch your content for 4,000 hours before you can get monetized on YouTube, right? And you basically start making money the day you join the YouTube partnership program, right? The views you got before you join the partnership program does not matter anymore, right? Your money start counting the very day you join the YouTube partnership program, which is the 4,000 watch hours and the weekly subscribers. That's when your money starts counting, right? Now you should have this at the back of your mind, right? Now there are diverse ways you can make money from YouTube, but the most popular ways is through AdSense, right? This is when ad pop up on your video when your viewers are watching your videos, right? Before we jump right into the video, you have to understand that you don't get paid based on subscribers count, right? You get paid based on view count, right? Even if you have 100K subscribers and you also have 1K views, you are going to be getting paid a little amount of money based on your view count, right? But the way YouTube calculates your earnings is through your views, right? Your views based on your CPM, right? Based on your CPM and based on your niche. There are different niche on YouTube, and the highest niche or the highest paid niche is the finance niche, of which I am right now, right? Now there are different niche on YouTube. There are vlog, there are lifestyle niche, sports, educational niche, right? Travel blog, comedy, they are diverse niche, right? But you want to do what you love doing, not what pays the most, because you don't want to burn out. Because YouTube is very long, it's a journey, right? It's a journey. You have to fall in love with content creation. You have to fall in love with what you're doing before you can start making a lot of money on YouTube, right? You get paid based on views, not based on subscribers. Now, with this said, I will take you to my screen, showing you all the breakdown and walking you through my workflow. With that said, let's move to my screen as I show you the breakdown. So let's dive into it. Okay, right now in recording this video right here, I've made more than the previous earnings, right? As you can see, then there are different ways to make money from YouTube, right? One of the most popular ways is shopping, as you can see right now. Now, this is where you connect your store to your YouTube channel, right? Now, if you have any product, you have any physical or digital products, now you can easily connect your store to your YouTube. As you can see right now, connect your online shop to YouTube, connect a shop to promote your product like merchandise on your channel. Right now, if you are selling any product right now, be it a hoodie, t-shirt, digital product, courses, informational products, now you can easily connect this to your YouTube channel. Once people visit your YouTube channel, they can easily access your product and they can make purchase if they are interested in, right? Now, other ways right now is through membership and supers. Now, supers is whereby people gift you on your online chat. As you can see, I have $0 on my super, right? As you can see, super times animation and highlight comment on videos and short, super chat, highlighted message in live streams and premieres, super stickers, fun nominated GIFs in live streams. This is when people give you supers or they support your channel when you are live, right? Now, the other ways is through membership, right? Membership in the sort that people can easily buy into your membership plan on your channels, right? This part is like you having a separate premium VIP class or VIP subscribers on your channel. This way they can get direct information from you and premium information from you if you want to, and you can easily host a live session with them if you easily want to, right? So now this is like a membership program on your channel, right? Now these membership programs, supers and shopping, you can unlock these features once you hit 500 subscribers and 3K watch hours. Now you can unlock these features, right? Now the last way and the most popular way to make money from YouTube is YouTube AdSense, where YouTube display ads on your videos. Now in the last 28 days, I've made over $27 from these very features, right?
Now this is how much advertisers pays, which is $8 in the last 28 days per 1k views, right? This is my CPM, right? But these features can only be unlocked when you hit 1k subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, right? Now this is my last 28 days. As you can see right now, this is my revenue for the last 28 days, right? And my YouTube premium, I have $0.05, and my watch paid hours is $27.72. Now if I come to my 90 days right now, you can see that I've made over $85 in my 90 days. If I come to my last 365 days, now you can see that I have over $115 right now on YouTube, right? Now this is my total earnings right now on YouTube since when I was monetized in May, right? And this is how much I've really earned from YouTube. Now I want to show you my best performing videos in the last 28 days, which is this first video, as you can see right here, which has made me over $80, right? This video has made me the most money on YouTube, right? It has made me over $80, and the second highest performing videos has made me over $11, and the third one has made me over $2.82, right? Now this very video right here is the video that take me to the YouTube partnership program, right? This is the highest video right now. You only need one best performing videos to reach the YouTube partnership program on YouTube, right? So that's the more reason you have to be more consistent in shooting your videos, and you have to publish more often videos, because you don't know the video that will take you to that peak. Right now this video has generated over 43k views since when it was published, right? And it has given me over 1.6k watch time hours, right? This is 1,600 watch time it has given me, and it has given me over 638 subscribers, right? And it has made me over $80 right here on YouTube, right? But this video is my highest performing videos, and it has given me my most money on YouTube, right? And I'm super excited, I'm super glad for this video, because I know that YouTube is not easy, but if you are consistent enough, you'll be able to reach that mark if you have more videos on YouTube, right here on this video, and right here right now filming this video, I have over 210 videos right here on YouTube, which is live. Right now this has been my most amazing video on YouTube, and it has given me more subscribers, more watch time, and more money. Right now these videos are 43k subscribers, 43k watch hours, and my estimated revenue right here is $80, and YouTube is paying me $1.86 for every 1k views, which is my RPM. For me, this is not bad, right? If you are in the finance niche, right? Now there are some niche that pay just $1 per RPM, some niche pay 0.50 cents per RPM, right? Depending on your niche on YouTube, right? This video is paying me $1.86, and advertisers are paying $7.69 per 1k views, right? And this is the earnings by ad type, right? If you click here right now, you have all the details on my earnings by ad types. Now the skippable ad on this very video is 3%, and the display ad is 70%, and the bumper ad, which bump out in every section of the video, is 17%, and the non skippable ad is 1.3%, right? And one of the best thing about YouTube is that YouTube will give you details about how your video is performing, every details about your earnings, where they are coming from, and everything you need to know. That's one of the best thing about YouTube. Now overall, I have made over $115 right now as of the time of recording this video, right? So guys, YouTube is easy if you know what to do, if you have the right information and what you're doing on YouTube, right? I won't say much, I'll just keep the rest for later, because you will need it, right? So guys, I know this was super valuable to you, I know you got value. Right now what I want to do is that if you want me to be creating more videos on how to get started on YouTube, how to pick a niche, all right, it's just like if you want me to create more videos, tutorials on YouTube, and how you can get started, and how you can make money, how you can get monetized, the strategies and tactics that help me get to this point. If you want me to be creating this kind of videos, just let me know in the comment section. I will create time and be dedicated to create more videos on this for you to help your channel grow. Right now this video was created just to show you my transparency and how YouTube pay me. So guys, thanks again for watching. If you haven't subscribed right now, this is the best time to do that. Go down there right now, subscribe and turn all bell notifications, because I'm going to be dropping more videos around this very topic. And like this video if you know this video was valuable to you, and you can share this video to other YouTubers out there. This will inspire them to get started on YouTube and start making money, right? So with that said, I will be moving out right now, but before I move out, I want to show you more creator support tools YouTube give you once you hit the partnership program, right? YouTube give you chat and email support, copyright match tool, external links in card, and end screen, right? Which you can direct them to maybe the call to action, the course you wanted to buy, or the platform you are introducing in the video, right? Now there are more to this, but I'm just going to end this video right here. So guys, I will see you around in my next video. Now if you want to learn how you can grow and succeed on YouTube, I have a playlist right here showing around this video. I will show you how you can start your YouTube channel and grow and succeed right here on this very YouTube. Now the video will be showing around this video right now. Click there and learn how you can get started and grow on YouTube, right? In that video, I share powerful tips and powerful ways and strategy on how you can start your YouTube channel and how you can grow and succeed. Click that video right now. I'll see you right there. Bye for now.